Thank you again for having me over. I think I was watching a lot of your content and I think it is brilliant. You're giving a lot of women entrepreneurs a platform. So it is fantastic what you're doing. About myself, I currently am the CEO of Word of Mouth Media. We're a nice small boutique agency based here in Dehradun. We do end-to-end marketing, branding, and communication consulting. Along with that, I've just launched a new brand called Jivisa, which was a brainchild during COVID, and we realized how important immunity is. And keeping that in mind, we decided to launch a products company. So Jivisa was launched a few months back, and we are kind of currently working on that. And other than that, I run my passion channel. It's called Cover to Cover, where I review books. I try and pick one book a month. I review it. I give my analysis of the book, some anecdotes from our life, etc. And that is on my YouTube channel also. So my time literally goes between these three engagements that I currently have.
So you are basically multifaceted, multitasking, multi-branding personality. That's really great.
I
Super.
try and do that. Yes, thank you. I guess once you figure out how things go, then you can apply it to multiple things. It doesn't need to be restricted to only one vertical.
So how do you manage so many verticals? What are the challenges you face doing that?
So I think one important thing, if you are doing multiple things, is to remember that you cannot do everything yourself. The best thing to do is develop a team of really good people.
Hmm.
And I'm very, very proud to say that the team at Word of Mouth Media and now at Jivisa, and they also assist me with the cover to cover. They are a fantastic bunch of people. So if you're really a leader and you want to grow, my one 2 cents of advice would be to don't try and do everything yourself. If you have limited bandwidth of time, instead put that in grooming people under you, and then you see how the growth will happen. And that's really how I do it, Rajesh. There are multiple things. We also run a online platform in Dehradun called Voice of Doon, which is also where I'm very, very actively involved. And I've realized the only way you can do that is by making sure that there is a team of people with you who are doing it. So your focus is in developing them and developing the product, whereas their focus is to going and fighting the battle for you. And that's how you do it, I guess.
Great. Really great. See, in this, so many things you are doing and everything is moving very nicely. How do you keep yourself motivated to do this? And as well as
Hmm.
how you motivate your team?
So I'm, Rajesh, a very big believer of people and of conversations. I think that if I can move a person or shift a person through a good conversation, whether it is towards their development, whether it is towards taking decisions that they can't take otherwise, then that gives me a lot of satisfaction. And that's where I focus my entire energy. And that's how we've also built teams and built, companies currently. So what keeps me motivated? If I see a person growing along with me, if I see a person shifting in something they were trying to do, they were stuck and they were able to shift that, I think that one moment gives me a lot of satisfaction, and that keeps me motivated. I've realized that my motivation doesn't come from within. It comes from people around me, the conversations, the acts that they do. And that's really my mantra of motivation. So I keep investing in them, and of course they keep growing, and that's how I
Yeah.
stay
So you are a
committed.
people's person. Motivate
Completely.
them and get the work done and go ahead. Very nice
Yeah,
of you.
वर्क डन भी नहीं बोलूंगी मैं, वर्क अपने आप हो जाता है, so that's not my
Okay.
agenda. They start doing whatever they have to do, whatever keeps them motivated. But creating a really strong team of people around you professionally and personally, that's what keeps me motivated.
Okay. What are your success stories? Any particular success story you would like to share?
So I think I would like to call word of mouth a success. We've never really gone out into the market to sell. People come back to us uh, because they've heard about us, and hence the name word of mouth. So that I think is a big success story. Actually, being able to do that sitting here in Dehradun and servicing clients that are really big names, whether it is BMW or Microsoft or EXL. or concentric. So we've done, very, very good work sitting right here in the small town of Dehradun with a team here in Dehradun. That's been a big success story. And I always tell people that we've managed to do that because I do feel that talent is everywhere. It's not just based in cities, it's also based in towns. Opportunities is, what we need to bring to small towns. So we managed to bring opportunities to a small town and then been able to deliver really big conglomerates, really big brands. Orient is a very big client of ours. So we do a lot of good work. So I think that I definitely consider a big success story for us. And then, of course, Jivisa that we launched about a year back, and now we are, seeing it, go places, pan India. I would call both these things a success feather for us,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
completely enjoy what we've done.
Certainly, certainly. Very nice. Yeah. Any USPs you would like to tell about yourself? Three best qualities in you, your USPs?
Yeah, I think the one biggest thing would be that I believe in people, and I believe that when you invest your time and effort in people, everything else will fall in place. A lot of times I've seen a lot of people spend too much energy on developing the product, the policies, etc. If you spend as much time in developing people, I think the rest is completely taken care of. We end up not giving enough importance to the people around us, whether it is family, friends, or colleagues. अगर जितनी एनर्जी हम और चीजों में स्पेंड करते हैं उतनी एनर्जी हम लोगों में स्पेंड करेंगे तो magic starts to happen on its own. So I guess that definitely is my USP. I don't want to call anything else the USP. The biggest is investment in relationships and investment in people.
Great. Any message to our audience?
The message would be, especially to all the women out there, that one, start believing in yourself. It's very, very seldom that we give ourselves credit. So I think that's a big thing, start believing that you can do it, one. Two, learn to take one step at a time. We tend to get very overwhelmed when we look at the larger picture. But when you break the larger problem down into smaller pieces and start taking one step at a time, you do reach somewhere. So it's a few days later, you'll find yourself, in a certain direction. You would have covered a certain path. So do that. Take one step at a time, and just learn to take risks. I know it's very overwhelming, but it helps. The rewards of risks are very, very high, and somehow we are not conditioned to take enough risk. So I would tell people to go take charge and take risk. You'll land just fine. Just take that leap of faith.
Very nice. Good. What are your three top wishes you want to achieve in your life?
So I really want to see the people I'm working with grow and grow to their full potential. So I don't care about the money that we'll make or no, but I do want them to be very, very happy and reach the potential that they are kind of working towards from a professional standpoint. On a personal space, I'm very keen on creating this commune of people which will grow all together and we'll all live together. So I hope I can work on that. And keep doing new things and fun things every day. I hope to not get stagnant, and I hope to keep growing and let others around me keep growing along with me.
Last but not least, you're writing your name Sarika Panchi. What is the quotes in quotes? Can you just
So Panchi is our surname,
okay.
family name, Rajesh. So my dada used to write poetry by this alias name Panchi, and we've kept it as our family name. So Vineet Panchi, my brother, does a lot of poetry by that name. And of course, I keep the family name because that's our family name. So we've just decided to keep that. It also keeps us flying. We keep ourselves in the sky. We decided not to get grounded ever.